Mohammad Azharuddin was one of the most stylish and elegant batsmen of his time. In the second test match against Pakistan at Faisalabad in November 1989, he played a superb knock. Azharuddin scored a brilliant 109 runs off 174 balls, spending 252 minutes at the crease and hitting 10 classy boundaries. Although the match ended in a dull draw, but Mohammad Azharuddin innings in the second innings stood out as he came out to bat under pressure and showed great composure, timing and technique. His stroke play was a joy to watch for every cricket lover. Let's relive the golden memories of the classic India vs Pakistan clashes. Moments like these are what make this rivalry truly special.
Play to Azharuddin. That fine shot. That's gone for 4. I say that's a fine shot because he got it right, but Maqsood, I rather suspect that in his present form,
पिछले पांव पर उसको ड्राइव किया, बहुत खूबसूरत शॉट, कोई मौका नहीं पॉइंट फील्डर के लिए रोकने का, 4 रन।
बहुत अच्छा ड्राइव किया है अजहरुद्दीन ने।
तरफ से बॉल की मूवमेंट साफ दिखाई दे, ड्राइव, ब्यूटीफुल ड्राइव, अच्छी फील्डिंग करने की कोशिश, रोक सकते थे लेकिन कामयाब नहीं हुए मियांदाद, और 4 रन।
बहुत अच्छा ड्राइव था।
Akram now round the wicket. Azhar tucked away to long leg. Settled for 2. Abdul Qadir is the fielder. Azhar now 22. 121. India for the loss of 2 wickets. Well placed. He found that gap between square leg and mid-on. Going towards the mid-wicket boundary, cut off by Raja. 3 runs to the batsman. Nice, well-timed sort of half push, half drive by Azhar. 125, Azhar now 26. Good delivery. You all but edged that.
Well, that one kept straight.
Going to be runs here for Azharuddin, at least 2. Azhar now 32 and India go on to 141. They are now 6 runs ahead on the aggregate.
मिड विकेट पर रमीज राजा, 1 रन का और इजाफा, 164 मजमूई स्कोर। अजहरुद्दीन 48, 43 रन संजय मंचीकर ने बनाए हैं, और उसके साथ ही आज का खेल इख्तिताम को पहुंचा। तो आज चौथे दिन के खेल के इख्तिताम पर भारत ने अपनी दूसरी इनिंग्स में 163 रन बनाए हैं और उसके 2 खिलाड़ी आउट हुए हैं। अजहरुद्दीन जो बड़ी उम्दा बैटिंग कर रहे हैं, 47 के स्कोर पर नॉट आउट। 43 रन बनाए हैं संजय मंचीकर ने, जो इस सीरीज़ में बड़ी उम्दा फॉर्म में हैं। कराची में भी उन्होंने बड़ी खूबसूरत इनिंग खेली थी, पहली इनिंग में भी बड़ी उम्दा बैटिंग की और दूसरी इनिंग में भी वो उसी फॉर्म में नजर आते हैं।
will be decisive one way or the other.
Well bowled.
Well bowled. Plays and misses. Single. Azharuddin. Qadir. Fielder. And that's Azharuddin's 50. This was a out of form Azharuddin. Very lean patch. Not amongst the runs, but this half century. single, and might have been close had Kader hit directly, but a good bit of fielding by him. But Ijaz fumbling with the ball, allowing Azharuddin to get the single and also to get away from Wasim Akram. And the ground. Appeal for LBW, I think he might have got a nick to that. Then he went Hampshire totally unmoved.
Here is the replay.
Yes.
Yes. Nice shot.
That's going to be runs. Beautifully played. That's going to be the first 4 of the morning. He got a lot of his runs in that area yesterday. Ball coming in and get some idea, Maqsood, also of the pace of the wicket.
Yes. This is as docile.
भारत के लिए ये बात बड़ी खुशाइन है कि अजहरुद्दीन फॉर्म में वापस आ गए हैं। LBW की जोरदार अपील। एक और अच्छी गेंद वसीम अकरम की। बाउंसर।
Mohammad Azharuddin was one of the most graceful and stylish batsmen ever to play for India. He was a right-handed middle-order batsman known for his exceptional wrist work and elegant stroke play. Azhar's batting was a perfect blend of timing, placement and flair. He had a unique ability to play shots through the leg side with astonishing ease, often flicking the ball past mid-wicket and square leg with nothing more than a gentle turn of the wrist. His cover drives were equally beautiful, KRS more than struck, and he rarely relied on brute power. Instead, his batting was based on pure technique and natural class. Azharuddin made his Test debut in 1984 against England and created history by scoring centuries in each of his first 3 Test matches, a record that still stands. His batting brought a sense of calmness to the Indian middle order. Whether playing against pace or spin, Azharuddin showed great footwork, composure and confidence. He was especially effective on slow turning tracks, where his quick reflexes and sharp cricketing brain helped him dominate the opposition. Over the course of his Test career, Azharuddin played 99 Test matches, scoring 6,215 runs at an impressive average of 45.03. He notched up 22 centuries and 21 50s, with the highest score of 199. His ability to score runs consistently against top-class bowling attacks made him one of the India's most dependable batsmen during the late 1980s and 1990s. Although strike rates were not commonly tracked during that era, his scoring rate was considered moderate to brisk for a middle-order batsman of his time. In addition to his batting, Azharuddin was also a brilliant fielder, especially in the slips and inner ring, with quick reflexes and safe hands. He went on to captain India in both Test and ODIs, leading the side with a calm and composed approach. Despite the many controversies that emerged later in his career, Mohammad Azharuddin's contribution to Indian cricket, particularly with the bat, remains unforgettable. If you like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.